Hello, and welcome to the Art of Attracting High Ticket Clients on LinkedIn. So, what's the number one thing that you need to start with right now to be able to attract the right high paying clients and create a business that you love? That's what we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to reveal the number one thing that you need to start with and help you get going with that. So who am I and why should you be listening to me in the first place? For those of y'all who are new to my work or new to this group, my name is Myranda Love, and I'm the #1 international best-selling author of the book, The Key to Unlock Your Dream Life. And I am the CEO and founder of Ninja Growth Strategies. And we're a business coaching company where we help experts be able to get out there in a big way and leverage their time and create more freedom and finances to do the things that they love and time to do the things that they love with online group programs and high-end masterminds and attracting and converting more clients. So for those of y'all who don't know me, I have been an online entrepreneur now for 10 years. And what I'm going to share with you right now is my story of the first step that I had to do to create this business that I now love. I had started and sold 2 prior businesses, and the second one, I ended up creating one that I hated. And I knew whenever I started Ninja Growth Strategies that I needed for it to be different. Now, what I didn't know was what I didn't know. How did I make it be different so that way I could create a business that I loved and not one that I hated? And how did I get the confidence to do what it is that I'm doing? And listen, it all starts with clarity. And I actually got the clarity that I needed to launch my program and, to do it by working with a mentor. And that's how I was able to create a business that I loved. I found somebody who was doing exactly what it is that I wanted to do, and I followed their system. And yeah, I have my unique way of attracting clients from LinkedIn, and that's my special sauce, but I definitely worked with a mentor to help me create my program, to help me get that clarity. So I'm going to talk about that, about whenever I started this business now 2.5 years ago. And I launched it right out of the gate into online group programs. And I had it so it's very much, $25,000 to $50,000 a month with no advertising, working 5 to 10 hours a week. It's totally a business that I love. Even though my clients get great results, I'm out and about doing all sorts of things. So I have been an online entrepreneur, as I was saying, for 10 years. But I did, do starting and selling my own businesses. Now, type in the comments below and let me know, are you in a job now? Or are you doing this full time? So welcome. Hi. Okay. Good. I see y'all there. Thank y'all for joining. Type in the comments and let me know. I'm glad that y'all are here. So I briefly did have to go back, and this was at the end of 2016. I'd been an entrepreneur, had done different things, created a business I hated, and sold that one and sold another one, and I was kind of gun shy. I was just kind of, getting by with just I didn't really create a lot of stuff for about 2 years, except for my book. Well, I did decide that I needed to go back and get a job. I was lacking grit, and if I was going to do the things that I was already doing, then I would have I needed to have a job. So I did get a job working full-time as a marketing director of a software company in the town that I was living in at the time, in Boise, Idaho. And I only stayed there for 2 months. Thankfully, the entrepreneur in me got it together, and I was like, okay, let's do it. So I was able to get that confidence whenever I was there of doing the things that I had done as a freelancer and had done in my own businesses, was using these strategies that I use and teach now for helping other people get clients on LinkedIn, where we were reaching out. So I launched an awesome campaigns there. In that company, I helped them get their first new business in a long time. I helped them convert old business into their new software that they had been trying to do for 20 years, and it wasn't working for them. So using the strategies that I teach now. So that really, I was like, okay, great. So I was able to walk out of that job. I was like, you know what? I'm ready to be the high price consultant. and coach. I'm ready to do this on my own. I got that grit that I needed that was lacking. So I walked out of that job and knew that I was going to make things work. And I came up with the name of Ninja Growth Strategies. I had kind of been freelancing before as Ninja PR media marketer, and had done some things, had been paid to do it, had been doing it for myself and my businesses, but I wasn't exactly sure. This is the thing, the topic today is like, I wasn't sure. Did I want to work directly with software companies? Did I want to do done for you? Did I want to do consulting? Did I want to do like a coaching program? How was I going to do it? Who should I target? How was I going to make it work? Well, even though I had all those skills, and I even had, I purchased tons of internet marketing programs and had worked with other coaches before. And so I went through back on my own and it was Fabian Fredrickson's Client Attraction Business School. So I went through and kind of did that program on my own again, now for my new business. But I was still lacking that clarity. I was lacking that clarity. I was still having all those questions, and I knew that I had to knock this out of the park. I knew that I wanted to create a business that I loved, not one that I hated, one that I was doing, making a big impact, but I had, not a lot of overhead, not a lot of whistles, so I really wanted to do it the right way. So I am so glad that I worked with a mentor to help me get that clarity. And I would have wasted so much time, going after marketing the wrong people and not sure, how to do, what it is how to create my group program, how to do it in the right way. And thank goodness, I worked with a mentor, and I knew then, I really did. I knew I wanted to help entrepreneurs that had been struggling like I had been in the other businesses. I knew that, I knew I was able to could help anybody get leads and clients and sales using the internet. I excelled at that, but who? I couldn't, I didn't want to help everybody. I knew that, by helping everybody that would be, help me create a business that I didn't like. I needed to systemize things. And so without a doubt, working with a mentor was the key to help me get that clarity that I needed to focus what it is that I wanted to do and to really give me that confidence. And I niched down to helping business coaches and consultants and mentors. So very much specifically, sales coaches, consultants, career coaches, consultants, executive coaches and consultants, business coaches and consultants. That's who it is that we help. And that's who I created my program designed 100% for. I'm not going to be working with the software companies because I'm going to be working with the experts who are going to work with the software companies, because I feel like I'm able to make a bigger impact that way by helping the coaches. And I'm going to be able to, and I am, by passing along my information and what I know and helping y'all get the clarity using my 25 years of experience helping businesses grow, working with businesses. I knew that I needed to really streamline that and be able to help more people in that way. And so that's what I did, is I worked with a mentor to launch my program and get things going. Now, if you are, and that was 2.5 years ago, and since then we've helped hundreds of other experts get that clarity as well. And because clarity is key. That really is the number one thing right now, is you've got to have clarity on your offer, clarity on your targeting, clarity on your mission, clarity on your why, clarity of how you're going, of your price point, clarity of how you're going to be delivering that. And so those are things that you've probably got questions with right now. I know I sure did. I know that most of the clients that we speak with, that's where they get, even if they've been at it for a while, they're lacking that clarity of how to do it in a way like what we do to make a big impact with it not taking a lot of time. And so that's why we start there. And, a lot of them are charging sometimes only $500, and we help them go to charging $5,000 or more. And they just need that clarity on all of it. So if you need that clarity right now and you're like, yes, okay, I'm wasting time here, I'm confused, one day I'm targeting these people, the next day I'm targeting that, You want to speak to an expert to see, you know, what's really selling right now. What is your price point? You know, are we seeing these things? So reach out. You can actually speak to us as being a part of this member of the group. We do offer you one clarity breakthrough call, and that's that you can go to ninjagrowthstrategies.com and type it in. Oops, too many TPPs. ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth, and schedule a free coaching business breakthrough call with us. And on that call, that's what we're going to do, is we're going to help you get that clarity. We're going to take a look at what's working for your business right now, what isn't, who are you trying to target, how much are you trying to charge, you know, where's the breakdown. We're going to let you know what we're seeing in the industry right now. Is that an offer that we believe that we can sell? Will our strategies help you get to achieve your goals? And if so, then we'll absolutely map that out for you and show you, you know, how we would help you. And we may invite you into our Business Coach Accelerator to be one of the experts that we invite in to share our secret sauce with, and to help you attract more high-paying clients and convert more high-paying clients into your online group program that you love. And we may not invite you in. We definitely do not invite everybody in. It's not a right fit for everybody. You know, we got to make sure that it is. So it's not like a high-pressured sales call or anything like that. It honestly is time that we're setting aside to help you grow your business. And if you are interested in that, you want to speak to an expert and get some of that clarity, start with the number one, then I invite you to go to ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth and schedule that free call to speak with us now. Again, that's at ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth. Type your questions below, speak to us on the phone. We're here to help. Check out some of the free resources that we've got for you. I've got tons of videos. The best one is actually the best way to get started here. If you're like confused, you know, what's going on, is actually check out our free web class that we've got, and that's how to make your next 6 figures this year as a coach using LinkedIn. And that is at ninjagrowthstrategies.com. I'll put that in for the free web class. And that's a great free training. It's about 45 minutes, and you're really going to see, I've got 5 shortcuts there to making your first 6 figures or your next 6 figures as a coach right now using LinkedIn with no ad spend. Check that out, the free web class as well. And my name is Myranda, and we will talk soon. Bye.